This is Robert Silverman with the Mike Morse Law Firm. The most rewarding part of my job at the Mike Morse Law Firm is the ability to help other people. I get to spend my days making people's lives better and improving their lives and make a living while I do it. Outside of work, I like to do home improvements, woodworking. I spend a lot of time creating things that are tangible. Originally, I came from New York. I was not born and bred in Michigan. I've come to love Michigan. And one of the things that I like most about it is that when I came here in the 80s, it was a very different place than it was. I came originally from the suburbs of New York City, and anytime I wanted to, I could go down to the city and there was culture, there was nightlife, there were activities 24 hours a day. There was something great going on. And in the 80s when I came here, unfortunately, I had a different impression. Between the 80s and now, I've seen such a great rebirth of the city of Detroit and the community that surrounds it, that it is so cultured, it is so diverse, it's just a great place to live. The most personally memorable experience was a client that I had. He was an immigrant. He sustained an injury to his leg. And unfortunately, he had a few surgeries, and it really changed his life. Through a lot of work with my team and great work of people that I work with, we were able to get him a fairly substantial recovery. Now, the recovery itself, some people would not consider that the biggest cases in the world. But this client was just a fantastic person. He came from a great family, and his only purpose was really to help his family move forward. And when I handed him his final settlement check, he thanked me profusely with his wife. And a week later, he comes back and he had a gift, not for me, but a gift for my daughter, where he asked, could you give this to your daughter because you had mentioned something about her and I just want to have something for your family. And to me, that was just really rewarding and memorable in that the client was thinking of my family, not just himself. If there was one thing that I would want my clients to know about me, it is that I will fight for you. I will do everything within the bounds of law and ethics to make sure you get the best recovery that you can ever get.